Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to block pop-up ads on Android. Open Chrome browser, tapping the three-dot menu button, click Settings, open Chrome browser, click Site Settings, click Ads, turn on this option, click Cookies, select Block Third-Party Cookies, click Pop-ups and Redirects, then turn on this option, then click My Activity, click Menu Bar, click Activity Controls, click Go to Ad Settings, you can also turn off personalization for your browser. Click Turn Off, click Got It. Click Settings, click Google, click Ads, click Reset Advertising ID, click OK, then turn on OPT out of ads personalization. Click OK. Thanks for watching.